Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to download video from your Facebook Reels. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So if you want to download a video from your Facebook Reels, you can follow these steps. Now open up your Facebook app on your mobile device. Then go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture on the top left corner. Scroll down to the Reels section. Then tap on the reel you want to download. Let's say, for example, this. Now tap on the three dot icon in the bottom right corner of the reel. Then press download reel. Then it's now saving from the menu. The reel will be saved to your device camera roll or gallery. So let's see if it's saved. So as you can see, it's here and it's already downloaded. Alternatively, you can also use a third-party app like savefrom.net if you don't own the Reels video. But keep in mind that downloading other people's Reels without their permission may violate their privacy and intellectual property rights. It's always best to ask permission before downloading or sharing someone else's content. So that's it. I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like to this channel. Thanks!